Hello students, today I'm going to continue discussing with you the chapter active and passive voice. I'm very sure that you have already completed all the exercises. Since there are so many exercises, I'm just going to be discussing the answers with you so that you can match up your answers whatever we have done. Okay, so I hope all of you remember the rules of changing from the active to passive voice. Now we are going to start discussing from exercise number U. So please open your copy and check the answers. Okay. So exercise U, you are required to change the interrogative sentences into the passive form. Okay. So it's like the same thing. You just have to change it into the passive voice. Okay. It is very much evident that the auxiliary verbs which are present in the active voice, they are changed into is or are or were in the question format according to the passive structures. Okay, and suppose the auxiliary verb like has or have is there, it will be changed into has been or plus the past participle form. So it's very easy actually. As we do it, you will understand that you can already make sentences like that. Okay, so come to exercise number U. Exercise number U, number 1. Is Srijan hosting the event? Is Srijan, can you see the board? Yes, you can. Hosting the event, question mark. So we can understand that here in the passive voice the event will come in the front, that is it will become the subject. So is the event, as it is in the present continuous tense, it will again change in the passive voice. We will add a being to it. Is the event being hosted by Srijan? Question mark. Okay, so this is how we are going to change it. We are just going to change the subject. With voice, we are going to change the subject, and accordingly, because we all know that according to the tense of the structure, so let me discuss the rest. Excuse me. So let me continue with it. So the first sentence is Srijan hosting the event. It will be changed into is the event being hosted by Srijan. Come to the next one. Who teaches you English? By whom are you taught English? Question mark. Can you write this in Arabic? Can this be written by you in Arabic, or can this be written in Arabic by you? Number 4. When did you complete this? When was this completed by you? When was this completed by you? Which, number 5, which room which room did they decorate for the party? Which room was decorated by them for the party? Which room was decorated by them for the party? You can omit by them portion, no problem. Okay. Did you bake this cake? Was this cake baked by you? Question mark. Okay. I'm having a terrible cold and cough, so I'm sorry for. So I'm just going to repeat once again. Exercise U. Number 1, is the event being hosted by Srijan? Number 2, by whom are you taught English? Number 3, can this be written in Arabic by you? You may or may not add by you, because in passive voice I have said that the doer of the action becomes passive and you can omit that person completely. Okay, so can this be written in Arabic, question mark, or can this be written in Arabic by you? Number 4, when was this completed by you, question mark. Number 5, which room was decorated for the party? By them you may or may not add. So which room was decorated for the party, question mark. Number 6, was this cake baked by you? Was this cake baked by you? So as you can understand, according to the subject we are going to change, or we are going to frame the question. Okay, was this cake baked by you? Now come to exercise number V. Exercise number V, you have to change the following imperative sentences into the passive voice. Okay, so whenever you are changing the imperative sentence into passive voice, it can be done in the following way. In the passive voice, you can start it by writing the word let. Okay, like do this, it will become let this be done. Okay, do this becomes let this be done. To change things into like advice, for that we will use the word should, and along with that we will add the advice. Let me show you a few examples. So for imperative sentences, I'm going to show you a few types. Like suppose some kind of structure like do not misbehave or say ill treat This is a kind of like an order, kind of like a command, kind of like something prohibition. Okay, so how can we change it into the passive? Let the poor not be ill-treated. Okay. Then suppose a suggestion is given. Take medicine at regular time. So again, this one, take medicines means you please take, or you take medicines. You here is muted, so we will change it into medicines should be taken. So be plus V3, that means it's in the present, simple present. This one also simple present, so be plus V3. Okay, here also simple present, so be plus V3. Medicines should be taken at regular timings. Okay, like this. Now come to exercise number V. Do not ill-treat animals. Let the animals not be ill-treated. Do not litter the garbage. Let the garbage not be littered. Do yoga exercises regularly. Yoga exercises should be done regularly. Call in the physician call in the physician means you are giving like an order to somebody or asking somebody to do something. The physician must be called. Call in the physician must be called. Kindly grant me a month's leave. Okay, kindly grant me a month's leave. You are requested to grant, no, not you are requested to. So, yeah, let me write it. Till number 4 I have discussed, right? From number 5, let me write. V number 4, answer will be a month's leave may kindly be granted to me. You may or may not write. Okay. Number 5, switch off your mobile phones. Your mobile phones, or you are requested to switch off your mobile phones, that you can write, or your mobile phones may kindly be switched off. Okay. So, the simple format which you remember is that since it is the past tense, we are going to change it be verb plus V3. Okay. Now come to exercise number W. Fill in the blanks with the passive forms of the verbs in the bracket. Rules of the school must be strictly followed. Okay. Must be strictly must be strictly followed. Parents must be looked after in old age. Must or should be also you can write, should be looked after. The difficult problems will be solved by him easily, you can write, or might be solved by him, you can write. Okay. So, let me just write it. So, it can use any kind of modals because they are the imperative, and in order to convey the strong feelings which are used in imperative sentences, I am going to use the modals. Okay. Number W1, must be followed. Number 2, should be or ought to be also you can write. Might be solved by him easily or will be solved by him easily. Can be solved also you can write. Number 4, let the patient not be disturbed. Okay. Now come to exercise number X. Rewrite the sentences in the passive voice. Number Y will be a homework, and Z number 2 and 3 will be homework. Okay, 2 and 3 homework, and I am not going to discuss them because they are very easy. Y, we are not going to do these things. Y and Z 2 and 3. You may practice them at home, obviously you can practice them. The rest we are going to discuss in class. Okay, come to exercise number X. Rewrite these sentences in the passive voice. We conduct tours in this area. Tours are conducted by us in this area. The librarian keeps all the books in the bookshelves. All the books are kept by the librarian in the bookshelves, or you can omit the librarian completely and write all the books are kept in the bookshelves. Number 3, did you find the watch? Was the watch found? Question mark. Number 4, did Rahul give you the bills? Were the bills given? Or you can write, were the bills given to you by Rahul? That also is correct. Number 5, the shopkeeper will give free gifts to the children. Free gifts will be given to the children by the shopkeeper. Number 6, she gave him the job. He was given the job by her. You may or may not write by her. Number 7, do not hit the poor boy. Let the poor boy not be hit. Let the poor boy not be hit. Number 8, shall we donate these clothes to the orphan? Shall these clothes be donated to the orphans by us? Number 9, is anyone taking photographs of the event? Are photographs of the event being taken by anyone? Are photographs of the event being taken by anyone? Being, B-E-I-N-G, being taken by anyone. Number 10, several students will attend the workshop. The workshop will be attended by several students. I'm sure all of you have got it all correct on your own. And if you have any kind of discrepancy, any difference from what I have said, you can discuss it in the next live session that we have. Come to number Z, 1. Because 2 and 3 we are not going to do, they are not required. Okay, so rewrite the following sentence in the active voice. 2 has been done for you. From number 3 we have to do. The children are being looked after by nanny. So being looked after means you have to, are being means present continuous, right? So nanny is looking after the children. Number 4, are the chairs being arranged by someone? Is someone arranging the chairs? Is someone arranging the chairs? Number 5, the books are being sold by the bookseller. The bookseller is selling the books. The bookseller is selling the books. That is the answer. Number 6, the ingredients are being mixed by mother. Answer will be, mother is mixing the ingredients. Number 7, the gate may kindly be closed. Okay, so number 7, I think you know already. As kindly has been given, we have to use please. Please close the gate. Number 8, the nurse must be fetched. So it will be simply fetch the nurse. Okay. So I'm going to end the online session, offline class at this juncture. I'm going to begin adverbs and degrees of comparison in my next class. Thank you, students.